Hey Porsche fans, it's Rich Dalmazio, Porsche Greenwich. Today I have an update about our Classic Restoration Challenge car for 2026. So if you've been following along with the project, you will know that we picked a beautiful 964 Cabriolet and we decided to do a bit of a restoration mod. Unlike the car that's behind me, this car right behind me is a 1971 Targa, available for sale here, by the way. We're heavily involved with classics, but yeah, this 964, we decided to make it into basically a wide-body speedster. The car is currently completely disassembled. If you've been following, you know this already, but still, completely disassembled. The body is at one of our partners, J&B Auto Body. All right, we're gonna actually we're gonna take you there now. The engine is out at our workshop here in Greenwich, and the interior is getting completely redone. But now we're going to turn it over to Joe at J&B, and he's going to walk us through where we are with the process.
So guys, Porsche Greenwich, we got this Porsche Restoration Challenge car, and we're entering through the recreation process. So this car is a car that never existed. It's a wide-body 964 Speedster. So the Speedsters for the 964 were narrow body, whereas the G-body car was a wide body. We want to give it that big, mean, beefy look. So we started by ordering brand new bumpers and flares, OEM Porsche. They have these things in stock. You can come right by at Porsche Greenwich and get a set whenever you want, readily available. But then the next thing we did was we took a set of 930 flares. So after we mocked up the gaps to where we were happy on the bumpers, we set the flares to match. The next step is to actually get these on the car. So what do? We start by tracing out with a sharp edge where the flare is going to be. Then we remove the flare and we trim back with only about 1/4 of an inch before that end point and where we cut it. After that, we come back here on the actual car and we cut out little by little sections. As you can see here, we cut a little bit, weld a little bit, cut a little bit, weld a little bit. What this does is it allows us to slowly manipulate the panel so that we can get everything nice and even on the edge, and it doesn't create warping as we go through the whole thing. If we do this slow and steady, we're gonna end up with a really nice, clean, straight edge like we have right here, and very minimal body work, leaving a seamless, beautiful, clean job.
As you can see, the body restoration and modifications are well underway. I was just there with Joe and his team, and what a facility, by the way. So thank you to those guys. They do incredible work. But you know, now I'm going to leave you with just some general B-roll as I kind of walk you through kind of next steps. So the body is going to be at the body shop for probably another 3 weeks or so. The engine is still waiting on some parts. We had to do some new rods and new pistons and just totally rework the whole engine in total. So I think it's probably going to be about 5 weeks until you start seeing some real like videos and pictures of this coming together. So we're all very excited, and yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and keep following along. All right, we'll see you when this thing is close to completion.